ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
ಹಾ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಮರ್ಥ.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Samartha Mugulkod, and we are creating a website on school portal along with my teammates Somya Bhadar Shetty, Anjali Sambargi. Somya, scroll down. Here the table of contents are objective of the project, scope of project, software used, source code, output screenshot, and conclusion and references. Objective of the project are we are creating the web project on college and demonstrating it using interlinks, and also we are demonstrating using the CSS and JavaScript. Scope of the project: the program for creation of website requires HTML document where content of website is written, and even it includes CSS, styling and JavaScripting. The program involves interlinking of many web pages which can be opened by clicking on links present on the home page. HTML. HTML is used to create and save web document. Example: Notepad, Notepad++, brackets or atom, etc. And CSS is nothing but cascading style sheets. Uh, we can create attractive layouts and adding styles to it. Next comes is here JavaScript. It is a programming language which is commonly used with the web browser and for adding animations to the web element. Next comes is a how to illustrate the web page. First we have to create a web page using HTML and create divisions, tag division, snippets, appropriate names or ID tags, links, all the CSS and JS files above. Add comments wherever necessary. Make sure your code is readable. After completing the HTML code, start with CSS and add styles to the HTML element which you have created. And next, we have to create a new JavaScript file and add animations to the specific element and make the web page more responsive and interactive. Next, make sure your website is compatible with most of the devices and dry run the code for testing and inspect the web page for other devices. Next, and navigation buttons to the website like home, reservation, content, menu, etc. Next, finally, we have to add the footer to the website, which will remain same for all the other pages you will create in future. Footer may contain some special media icons or links for the college web page, and also mail subscription, text space for further information, and at the last copyright. Yeah, here we are software using is brackets. Bracket is a this is a software we are using. It is an open source modern text editor crafted for the web developers and front end developers. This app simplifies the process of coding, allowing coders to share their work through various platforms. And brackets have many features, uh, which will include quick edit, quick documents we get, and next live preview, less support, open source, extensibility. These are the features of the bracket app. So we are using this software to create our web page. Yeah, next part over to you, Soma.
Okay, thank you, Samartha. Now let me show how our project works. So this is our home page. Now let's see how it is working here. As you can see, it is showing the name of the college and the photo regarding the college. And here there are many links. On by clicking, you will be taken to different pages. When you click, when you are currently in home, and when you click on home, it will again show the same page only. And now you can go to course page, where there are multiple courses which are offered by the college, and click on any one of the course. It will take to the home page of the course. As you can see here, it is giving the information regarding the department, its vision and its mission. Whoever wants to join a particular course can visit the home page and can get more details about this course. And let me go back to the course page and let me show other courses home pages which we have created. Now let's see how computer science and engineering department's homepage looks. It is also the same. We have put a small description of each department. This is the home page for mechanical engineering, as you can see here. And this is for MBA. So now let's see if students want to know information about the scholarship, what he can do here. Let us click on student scholarship. Here it is asking for username and password. Let me enter username. And when you log in, it when you click login, it will take you to scholarships page, where the details of various scholarship is available. And here, as you can see, there are multiple links. Whichever scholarship details you need, you can just click on that, and you will be shown the PDF format. That is the details regarding that scholarship. Similarly, it can be done for other links also. As you can see here, you can see the notice regarding the scholarship here. So if you want, so if someone from who is joining newly to the college want to contact or want to see more details about our college, then he can visit the contact link, where you can see we have shown Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Just by clicking on this link, when the user logs in, he will visit our college's website there, college Facebook and Twitter, etc. And here, as you can see, for each page we have added a footer which consists of the social media links. It is there for every page. And here you can search for anything from the home page. And so as you can see, this is the working. And let me now come to the conclusion. So as we have shown in the source code of this program, let me show you the source code once. See, here we have created multiple pages, multiple HTML files, one file for doing the contact page, one for course, one for home, and login page, and we have included a separate style.css file also, and created the courses homepage. We have taken HTML. We have created a separate HTML files, and here as you can see, we made use of CSS and Angular JS also we have included, and let me show you where we have included the Angular JS. See here, as you can see, we have also included the Angular JS. So this our project illustrates the working of HTML, CSS, Angular JS, even JavaScript, and we have done form validation also. So this is all about our project, and these are our references. And thank you.